Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted a slick way to show or hide your filter slicer panel in Power BI dashboards, making your reports cleaner and more interactive, you're in the right place. In just a few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process to create a show and hide slicer panel just like the pros do. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to tidy up your visuals and give viewers control over what they see in your reports. Alright, let's dive straight into Power BI. Go ahead and open up Power BI on your computer. In my workspace, I've already loaded some sample data, and if you're following along, you can use any dataset you have handy. Don't worry if your data looks a bit different from mine, the process is exactly the same. First up, you'll want to select a field from your data that you plan to use as a filter. For this example, I'm choosing the product field. Think of this as telling Power BI, I want to give users the ability to filter the whole report by product. Really helpful if you want to quickly analyze sales performance by category, for instance. Just click on the field in your data pane, simple as that. Next, we need to convert that field into a slicer. Slicers are Power BI's way of making information easily filterable, almost like interactive buttons for your data. With the product field selected, look over to the visualizations pane, which is usually on the right side of your screen, and find the slicer icon. It looks a bit like a funnel. Click it, and instantly Power BI will pop a slicer onto your report canvas with all your available products listed out. That's your interactive filter ready to go. Now let's move to the magic part, show and hide. You might be thinking this slicer is useful, but sometimes it takes up valuable space, or maybe you want to reveal it only when needed. No worries, Power BI gives us an easy way to toggle its visibility. To do this, we need to access the selection pane. Up in the ribbon at the top, click on View. Then in the dropdown, you'll see an option called Selection. Click that and Power BI will open up a new panel for you. Usually it pops up at the right of your screen. This panel is super handy. It shows you every object on your current report page, including your new slicer. Take a look through the list for your slicer. It will probably be labeled Slicer or maybe Product Slicer depending on what you selected. Next to its name, you'll spot a little eye icon. This is your visibility toggle. If you click it, the eye will close and poof asterisk, your slicer disappears from the report canvas. It's still there, just hidden from view. So anytime you want to declutter your report or guide viewers' attention somewhere else, you can hide or show that slicer with just one click. And that's it, you've made your very own show hide slicer panel in Power BI. Super simple, but really powerful for making your reports interactive and clean. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions about slicers, the selection pane, or other Power BI tricks you want to see in future videos, just drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical Power BI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.